the mother of great universities and museums, libraries and medical schools. She's famed for industry and commerce. Her majestic ocean queens, launched from ultra-modern shipyards, carry her renown across the 7 seas. While the Scots are proud of this modern culture, they take equal pride in historic tradition. Landmarks dating back to the pre-Christian era are still preserved. Centuries past, Roman legions built a defensive rampart along Scotland's frontier to ward off fierce counterattacks of Scottish clans. It was named Hadrian's Wall after the Roman emperor, but it stands today as a monument to the dauntless spirit of the Scot. This spirit still endures and is symbolized by a strange and haunting music. The martial skirling of the bagpipe stirs the Scotsman's pulse. It sustains him in battle, exalts him in victory, keens over the fallen wherever Scottish regiments have fought and died. This voice, so sweet to the Scotsman's ears, proclaims that his foot is on his native heath. His eyes can see the present in his past, and his heart is in the Highlands.